it's here. My book is finally here, and I'm just so excited because I've been working on this for such a long time, and finally I'm gonna see it in person. So let's unbox this. Take out the plastic. Oh my gosh! Wow! So nice. Oh, it's here. Look. But can't stop looking at the cover. I just can't. I guess I'm speechless. Just work so hard for like all. I worked so hard on all the tutorials here, and of course it was very difficult to balance like writing a book and doing all of the things you have to do in life. And yeah, I honestly don't know how I was even able to finish this book. But yeah, I'm thankful, of course, to so many people who helped us. I can't stop flipping through like all the pages. Like, I'll show you guys the table of contents right here. Not sure if you guys can see, but you'll notice like a thumbnail of projects here. So instead of the usual table of contents where you see only the title of the project, here I put the photo, like the thumbnail of the project, so you can exactly see what you're gonna paint. It's like a preview before you flip through the pages. I just find it helpful, like whenever I get a book, I immediately want to know what it looks like, and sometimes I don't like to flip through so many pages, so it's helpful to know like what the project looks like, so you can kind of choose what you want to paint first. In this book, of course, you'll learn about some art supplies that we're gonna use for the tutorials. I will teach you about brushstroke exercises. I'm not sure if you guys can see. So we have some brushstroke exercises. A lot of tips before you start painting, just like how I would teach in a workshop. Usually there's a warm up. You teach your students how to paint certain strokes, floral strokes, so that they can paint the flower itself. Something that I included is this. Okay, so this is one of the projects. It's the romantic pink rose, and I included like the floral strokes that you will use for this flower. Yeah, and of course all the projects are step by step, just like this. And yeah, so we are going to paint 15-minute watercolor florals, so there will be 30 different projects. So what I wanted to do was to include 15 individual flowers. So we are going to paint 15 individual flowers, and then from there we're going to turn it into a floral composition. So we're going to paint some wreaths, bouquets, and other creative projects so that you can apply those flowers in like a composition. So it's not just learning how to paint individual flowers, you will learn how to combine them. And I will also be teaching you just a little bit of floral composition tips. Now, this book is perfect for individuals who want to paint something new every day. You can even turn this into like your own like 30-day watercolor challenge by painting one project per day, or you can paint it at your own pace. It says here 15-minute florals, but of course you can take your time. If you want to paint slowly, that's okay. But this is just a guide for you. My goal is to really put everything I've learned through the years into a book like this, so you can easily flip through the book and look for something that you would want to paint that would make you feel good as well, that would help you relax and just paint. I hope that this book will bring inspiration to you. So this is it. This is 15-minute watercolor florals. I don't know, I keep saying that I just can't believe that it's finally here. I'm also thankful to my publisher, Page Street Publishing, for believing in me. Also to all of you guys, thank you so much for all your support. If you want to pre-order, you can pre-order this book. It's coming out in July. So you can check out the links in my bio to order your copy.